Today I've strapped the Racebox Micro to my DJI FPV drone and beat the Red Bull rocket drone's quarter-mile time. It did 0 to 60 mile per hour in 0.37 seconds, 0 to 130 mile per hour in 1.14 seconds, and the quarter mile in 6.44 seconds, beating the Red Bull's drone by 0.56 seconds. This is simply because it can launch much faster. It did reach a top speed of 158.4 mile per hour. If you want to know more about the Racebox Micro, let me know and I will make another video on it. You can use the code AndyRC15 to get 15% off. I'll put a link in the video description if you wish to get one.